Hello, this is Markella and welcome to Screen Hack Friday episode 5, where we're going to give you tips on how to use Twitter Search app to share cool tweets on your screens. Here are 3 searches you can use today to create custom feeds for Twitter Search app. Search by hashtag or keyword. Did you know that you could use Twitter Search app to pretty much find any hashtag or keyword on Twitter? For example, if you use from and account, then you can find all of the tweets that are coming from this specific brand. If you use hashtag searches, the tweets will come out in chronological order. This is a great way to use from and your brand to find out what your customers are saying about you on Twitter. In your marketing team, it can be very useful to find out what your customers or your potential customers are saying to your competitors, or even what your competitors are saying. Why not show these tweets on your digital screens as part of your marketing monitoring strategy? Ever heard of search operators? Well, you could actually use more complex searches using our Twitter Search app. For example, if you use from Coca-Cola and from Pepsi, you could get a combined feed of tweets coming from either Coca-Cola or Pepsi. This is a great way to create a mood board to share with your team or even at your event with your audience. To give you an example, I'm a huge Game of Thrones fan. I could use from Game of Thrones fan account and bring some hashtags in the mix, like hashtag Game of Thrones party, and create a massive Game of Thrones mood board. Time to get creative! Why don't you have a play around with Twitter Search app today? That's it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube for more Screen Hack Friday episodes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.